was apparently a meeting between Election Commission officials and senior BJP leaders yesterday right after polling. He's asking why. He says that the model code of conduct is still in place. Why was there such a meeting? This is his allegation. Sena UBT already sort of crying foul, saying why there is some kind of collusion between the Election Commission and the BJP. Is this sort of familiar vote chori narrative again because they've lost another election?
Well, I think it already started yesterday with the indelible ink controversy, where the opposition, the Thakre brothers, basically saying that the marker is being put on your finger and you can wash it off with sanitizer or a hand wash and you can go and vote again. I think that controversy was raised, but I think it is an inquiry has been marked into that by the State Election Commission, by the way. So they have taken it seriously, and they have said that in the next Zilla Parishad election they will not use that particular marker. But that all said, Zaka, it is very difficult for somebody to vote a second time. When you go to vote, your name is ticked off the list, your photo is marked, everything is done. People are finding it difficult to vote once. Some people went and did not find their name in the electoral roll. So I think it's very unfathomable that people can actually go and vote twice. So I think this is more of a...
Let's play out that bite of Mr. Sanjay Raut. I believe it's just ready. He's also talking about this, that a number of names, according to him, were struck out from the electoral rolls. Let's listen into what he's alleging already. Even as counting has just, 45 minutes since counting began.
जो वोटिंग पैटर्न चलाया सरकार ने, ये बेहद गंभीर बात है। हजारों लोगों के नाम गायब रहे जिसने विधानसभा में वोट किया है, और ऐसे एरिया से वोट गायब हो गए जहां शिवसेना को या महाराष्ट्र नवनिर्माण सेना को या कांग्रेस को वोट हुए। वहां से हजारों लोगों के नाम गायब हो गए। ईवीएम मशीन बार बार बंद होती रही बहुत से प्रभागों में। जहां राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस को बटन दबाया गया है, वहां कमल के ऊपर लाइट ऑन होती है। वैसा मशाल का हो गया, वैसा इंजन का हो गया। और चुनाव आयोग के जो लोग हैं वो हमारी शिकायत सुनने को तैयार नहीं। कल शाम को 6 बजे तुरंत ये वोटिंग खत्म होने के बाद मुंबई महापालिका के कमिश्नर और बीजेपी के लोगों में, वरिष्ठ लोगों में एक मीटिंग हो गई। क्यों हो गई? कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट चल रहा है, आचार संहिता चल रही है। आप 1.5 घंटे तक कमिश्नर के साथ बैठते हो और क्या तय करते हो? आज का जो रिजल्ट है वो आपने तय किया।
So Rahul Gandhi has also now tweeted, this is what he has said: Election Commission gaslighting the citizens is how trust has collapsed in our democracy. Vote chori is an anti-national act. Again, familiar raga that you're hearing on a day when Congress is losing, its alliance partners, Sena UBT and MNS and Sharad Pawar's party are all losing. Once again, the narrative seems to have focused back to vote chori. Mr. Jha, how long will you continue with this vote chori? People of India are not buying it.
See, yesterday I also saw certain reports which have come in from the polling booths that there were distribution of money, there were distribution with regard to the voting pattern and all those things. They were doing it, and the persons responsible are the party from BJP. Their cadres were doing it, and we were giving them good fight there because they wanted to take away the mandate by way of deceit and by way.
So you look at the numbers. BJP Alliance, Mahayuti is at 63. BJP alone is at 41. Shinde Sena is at 20. Your party, Sena UBT plus MNS Sena UBT is only at 29. How can you say this is vote chori? This is a runaway victory for BJP Shinde Sena. People are voting for them. Accept the result.
See, 3 things are there. What BJP is now categorically using is the money power. So money power when comes, everything gets failed. They have categorically spread money to the constituency voters, and they wanted to purchase the vote. But eventually they have failed.
Don't you think you're insulting the intellect of the voter by saying कि पैसे देकर मतलब वोट डाल रहे हैं?
Because
are you not insulting the voter and the voter's intellect?
No, the pictures have come. The voters themselves have shown the video that they have been made to be purchased by money.
So you complain, you make sure that in that ward the election is cancelled.
We have complained, but the election commission does not take any risk.
There should be a blanket.
I think I personally find it insulting to the intellect of the voter कि मतलब सारे वोटर पैसे लेके वोट डाल रहे हैं.
See, not only that, I just want to bring to the notice that yesterday when Shiv Sena's responsible Padadikari came on TV channel and said that look how the ink is being, removed very easily. Was that an indication to people कि remove your ink and go and vote again? It seems so, क्योंकि उनको नहीं मिल रहा है. तो कुछ ना कुछ करके हमें desperation. Out of that desperation, people are coming on TV and saying that nobody lodged the complaint with election commission at that time. So they should understand the responsibility. They have taken Marathi Manus and Mumbaikar for granted for long, and out of that, now they feel कि अभी तो कुछ भी करेंगे तो चलेगा. Okay, keeping money in fixed deposits and claiming that we are saving Mumbai. As against that, now people want कि वो पैसा खर्चा करो, give us coastal road, give us metro, give us facilities, give us best buses, so that we can save on our time and we can live a life with dignity. Let our standard of lying.
Very interesting figures also, the leads which are coming in. BJP plus at 63 and the Shiv Sena UBT plus at 35. But as Mr. Vyas was saying that Shiv Sena is only contesting 90 seats. Uddhav Thackeray is contesting many more seats, but the difference is not much, Mr. Vyas. The Shiv Sena is at 22 and Shiv Sena UBT is at 29. So there's a very key fight on there, and if this comes very close in the end, it will also show Mr. Shinde has contributed in a big manner to the win in Mumbai.
So people at Mumbai are voting for development. Apart from what we have discussed,
because your leader so far was seen as a Thane leader, not as a Mumbai leader. So
he
that
was Maharashtra leader. He was always a Maharashtra leader. He led Maharashtra for 2.5 years like a warrior, 24/7. When other leader was sitting at home having Facebook Live, he was on the spot always. So that's why the people have voted for Yuti in November 2020.